Welcome back to Definitely Not Definitive. I'm Ken.
And I'm Bethany.
We're just a couple of heretics in love. The love reacting to some Warhammer 40k.
Just a couple of heretics in love. I don't know. For some reason, that struck me as like a book title or something, or like a show title.
I've said it like a bunch of every single time.
I know. I don't know. It was something in the way I heard it this time. It just kind of struck me differently.
Okay. All right. Well, look out for our book on Amazon. A couple of heretics in love.
Yes, exactly.
So today we're checking out if the Emperor had a text-to-speech device, a couple of specials. Kitten and the Emp play a children's card game, and Luscious Lucius pranks gone heretical.
That's a tongue twister.
Yeah, I had to look like I was like I'm gonna remember this, and I did not remember it, so I had to look at it again, and then came back, and I still couldn't do it. I needed to have like a little prompt card right here. And because it's Warhammer 40k,
we have a drink.
Yeah,
or more specifically, a shot. This is the Flaming Heretic. We'll find out why it's flaming shortly. All right.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Whew. Got a little kick to it that time.
Whew.
Water?
I'm good.
Okay.
I like the taste of the Baileys.
She's tougher than me.
What?
Okay. What the hell just happened?
I cannot believe you still have not turned off your luminous life support.
Well, I will eventually, my lord.
I am tired of all your eventualities. You must do it. It is important.
And I will in due time, my lord.
Do it and no.
I will not.
Ooh.
Are you defying me?
Yes, in this particular instance, I am.
Oh.
Then I have no choice. I challenge you to a game of Paradox, Billiards, Valstroy, and Roulette, 4th Dimensional Hypercube Chess Strip Poker.
I'm scared.
If you win, I will let it slide for now. But if I win, I will banish you to the realm of Ultramar until you have completed this mission.
But I don't even know how to play Paradox, Billiards, Hyper, Chips Poker.
I will
Strip
have
poker.
a tech priest give you the knowledge instantly with the power of science. Now you will be fit with the proper gear as well.
What is this and why is it necessary?
You already know, so be quiet. Your deck has already been assembled based upon neural activity in your cerebrum, as well as total typecasting.
What? What is this even?
I just had all game rules implanted directly into your mind. You already know fucking everything, so stop thinking and let us play. Remember the stakes.
Yeah, the good stories.
Oh my. If Kitten loses this duel, which no doubt will happen, he will be sent away to Ultramar for a long time. Finally, the charge will be waiting for.
Actually, I am banishing you two.
Sorry, what?
This is now an alter game.
Ooh.
Holy terror.
Wrong! What happened to all the gold? Where's this stupid gun?
Use this alter game. You and your friends will all be banished to the Ultramar realm.
My lord, perhaps you're taking this a tad bit too far.
Kitten! You are our only hope. Please win. If you win, we won't show your life for an entire week. No promises are made.
No promises made.
Play, I guess. As long as you look away when the whole strip part of this comes into play.
No promises are made.
Alright, son. Yo, start things off. Draw your 5 cards.
Okay, here goes. I am looking at these cards right now, and my lord, I don't think this is neither billiard, chess, hypercube, strip poker, Australian roulette, nor a combination of the 5. This is just a children's card game.
By the Milky Way's memories, I will shoot you out of a fucking cannon unless you start playing.
I'm sorry, my lord, I'll just continue.
I should probably start easy and defensive. This creepy bugman man murderer will do the trick. If he is attacked, he will destroy whatever is attacked by him.
I'll place this face down and end my turn.
You have already lost. It is like you do not know who you are playing with. My turn. The effect of my golden ladybug activates, giving me 500 extra life points.
The warhammer is already the lead. He has barely begun his turn. How is he ever going to win now?
Ivan activates Mugaspot and Sanguineous Charity, allowing me to draw 5 new cards in total. However, due to the charity, I have to discard 2 of the cards I have into the warp, and my chosen sacrifices shall be the golden ladybug and the shitty chaos-looking brotherfucker. Fortunately, throwing him in the grave warp gives me an extra card, so it is 6 new ones in total. Oh boy.
I'm sorry, but isn't that super cheap? I mean, why wouldn't you have those cards in your deck? There's no reason not to.
I am the Emperor and was destined to wield the very best cards humanity has ever created.
Including the broken ones?
The meta is not exactly merciful in the warp, sunshine. And speaking of which, I now activate Obedience School. This allows me to bring forth 3 different beasts from my deck and summon them to this realm. I choose a Happy Snake, Abomination Dawn, and Horsebird. They are all an infinite amount more loyal and tasteful in choice of attire compared to the 3 Strippeteers over there.
By our blessed
Strippeteers.
biceps, our glorious overlord has 3 servants out on the field already.
And they're all lusting off life points. How is Kitten ever going to it now?
That is certainly bad news for me. My turn?
Did I say I was done? Baby boy, let me tell you, I am far from done serving this gold-plated shit explosion sandwich to you. For Yossi, I sacrifice all 3 of my beasts. No! So I can summon a much greater servant.
It's so bright.
Are the messages true? Is Warhammer really sorry?
My reflecting upon my glistening skin is blinding.
Make an ultra chicken.
Like an ultra chicken.
It's even goldier than I'd imagined.
Who's ever going to it now?
That looks more like a dragon than it does a chicken, to be fair.
My chicken's effect allows me to pay all but 100 of my point lives to increase its attack to ludicrous amounts.
8,400 attack points? Boom. No! We can't give up our faith in Kitten yet.
Yeah.
I mean, our glorious overlord only has 100 life points left now. You can do it, Kitten. Just believe in the heart of the cards.
Cards don't need to circulate blood.
The heart is the one muscle you must believe in, Kitten. The tongue, the pics, and the fur, buttocks are all 2 integral parts of the card. You must put your faith in.
Still not done though.
How much longer are we doing this? I need to do the dishes soon.
I now set a card and activate the Temple of the Kings. Since I am technically a king, I am allowed access to the activation of trap cards the turn I have set them, so now I activate the card DNA Surgery. Now, through the power of science, my Mega Ultra Chicken is experimented on as my great Astartes children are so he can attain a new form. Welcome your glorious golden subjugator, the Winged Warrior of Terra.
Well, he's no longer a dragon. Or a chicken. Whatever. But he seems exactly the same to me in all other accounts.
That is because I am not done yet. I now bring upon him the noble arms of destiny. Since he is now a warrior with hands and a brain larger than a walnut, he is allowed to carry weapons legally, especially marvelous weapons such as these that deny all witches that try to surpass us. That is to say, it makes him indestructible.
Oh, that's nasty.
That means Kitten can't possibly hope to destroy it.
And now, for the final touch, by throwing away a useless card, I also equip my warrior with the twin swords of flashing light. It reduces his ludicrous attack strength by 500, but now he is allowed to attack 2 times in a fucking row.
Have you never given me any toys?
2 times in a row? That means...
Now warrior, annihilate his face down and turn him down base.
Ow, my spleen!
Oh!
Okay, my emperor. Are you done now?
Nope. My warrior may be as glamorous as a golden sun filled with glitter, but I feel this realm is not golden enough, so it is time to terraform it. With this I am allowed to take a field spell from my deck. And now, I am going to activate it. I turn this realm into an iridescent golden palace with the golden castle of Stromberg.
Never seen such radiant beauty outside my mirror before. Your mirror being my lubricated abs.
Okay, so what now? My turn?
This castle forces you to summon and attack with a monster every time you enter your battle phases, and each monster that tries to attack is automatically destroyed, and half of its attack points are drawn from your life. However, this card does have a maintenance fee, as half a deck of cards has to be thrown into the graveyard every turn for it to stay active. Fortunately, it is your deck that stands for the costs.
Seriously, what kind of cheap card is that? You can't have a game with a card that overpowered in it.
Only I have one, so it is fair.
Does anyone can play this game except you?
Cinch does.
Isn't he?
Shut up and make your move. I need you to get to Ultramar now, before the dishes stack up too tightly.
This is really bad. If he is forced to attack, he will lose automatically.
The only way he can lose is by somehow destroying that castle.
Oh, also, the castle is indestructible.
Oh shit, how is he ever going to win now?
And even if he did destroy the castle, my warrior would still super murder anything he has. There is no hope. Now draw your last pathetic card so I can end this pin on it.
Well, okay, I guess. Oh shit, there goes half my deck. Good.
It is time.
My lord, you did say your castle was indestructible, right? Nothing to destroy it?
Whatever measly attempt you throw at it will not even scratch it.
This is where
Yes,
Kitten
in that
wins.
case, I'll play this. Giant Trunade. All spells and traps go back to people's hands. No destructions here.
What the fuck?
And, I summon Wind Up Kitten. And then I use its own effect so your monster goes back to your hand.
W-A-W-A-W-A-W-A-W-A-W-A-W.
And yes, Wind Up Kitten. Attack its life points directly with your Wind Up Cat attack.
Yeah, little kitten.
He did it! Kitten actually did it! We're free!
I am surprised by his immense fortitude. Truly, this was a great battle of wits.
I was promised stripping. There was none. They just played a fucking children's card game.
Looks like I'm off the hook, my lord.
Be quiet. The spin-off was dumb. Let us never speak of it again.
My lord, I am king of the card games now.
Silence. Go and wash dishes.
Washing detergent in attack mode.
Oh!
Hey there, gal pals! It's your boy Lucius here, coming at you with another badass prank. Today, we're gonna be pranking
so
the
freaky.
hell out on a craft wall.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys! Hey, got a nice spirit stone there. Can I put it in my mouth and cover it in saliva? Child spawn, get here!
God.
How about this?
Booty pixies.
Lose to me in the game of sword fight. I get a really, really, really quick kiss. Kill it! My Eldana!
It's just a prank.
Hello, Mortoys. It's your boy Lucius here, coming at you with another very serious social experiment. Many kids are running around out there with latent psychic abilities. How easy is it for a war predator to pick up an underage child using the wall?
Oh my god.
I chatted up this little boy through a psychic link, and I've been talking with him for the last 3 or 4 days.
Oh my god.
No.
What? I am the little girl. I was the little girl all along. Do I fulfill your fantasy? Ho ho ho! Yes, I'm you, Nita. This is what you get for being a psychobilly.
Oh, this is deeply disturbing.
Hey,
What?
sexually ambiguous pal toys! In our galaxy today, billions of people are starving and without small, cramped, tiny spaces to live in. So I've taken time out of my day and made this sandwich, which I'm going to be giving to a hobo. Everyone will appreciate it as we make the galaxy a better place. I am a fucking saint! Hey, Hobo-chan!
Amazing.
Remember me?
No.
Say my name!
Am I
they're dying. You smart! See, I'm your boy Lucius, and I came here today. I know you've been having some hard times, alright? So I want to give you this here sandwich.
No. Menacing, yes.
I made it myself, mostly out of freshly milked Damon Head milk, if you know what I'm saying. And sand, lots of sand. It's a sandwich after all, bitch. Now eat it up.
That's a sand. It's a sandwich.
Please remember to like, favorite, and subscribe to my channel, Luscious Lucius Pranks, and follow me on Facebook for the latest exclusive pranks. This is your boy Lucius. See you soon in one way or another.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
That was terrifying.
That was disturbing.
Yeah, that was super terrifying. I mean, well done with the voice and everything like that, and then changing the voice around. And just, yeah, like that, everything that was that he was saying too was super disturbing. Yeah, that was successfully creepy.
But little Kitten won the game.
The little kitten won the game.
And that's what really matters.
Yeah, it is. But you knew it was going that way because, like, the Emperor was in. How is little Kitten ever going to win?
I mean, the Emperor's cards were just ridiculous.
Yeah.
And I love how they called it out finally. Like, you can't have a card in the game that is that overpowered. Like, it just doesn't. What? So that was very enjoyable. I'm so glad we had the Custodies there as like the cheer squad throughout this.
Yeah, they injected a lot of humor. Not that the Emperor wasn't funny as well with what he was doing. But yeah, they were like to have them there on the sidelines, cheering on little Kitten and giving like play-by-play was fantastic. Let us know what you thought about this down below in the comments. And if you want all of our Warhammer 40K reactions, check out the description of this video. We got a playlist there for you, as well as links to our Patreon. Get early ad-free access to our reactions. We're about a month ahead in our If the Emperor Had a Text-to-Speech Device reactions on there. And we got a bunch more reactions as well you can check out.
Yeah, it's spooky season.
Yeah, it's spooky season. Thanks so much for checking out our reaction for If the Emperor Had a Text-to-Speech Device, Kitten and Emps play a card game, and Luscious Lucius and sex pranks, whatever.
Pranks of heretical
pranks or whatever.
Something? Okay.
Yeah, but just keep in mind
that our reaction is definitely not definitive.